In this video I will show you how to create a twisted bracelet using these two cords. So our little friend is trying to tell us something. Now that our little mascot Rudolph said hello, let's continue with our bracelet. So I have these two cords. And I will grab the two cords like this. And I will start twisting the two cords. Yes, Rudolph, what do you want now? Do you want to play? He always wants to play in the morning. He has a lot of energy after sleeping at night. And he doesn't want to play alone, so he wants us to play with him. So I will twist this bracelet like this. So I will keep twisting the bracelet, the cords, the two cords. And I'll continue twisting until the cords are under tension, and I will fold the two cords like this, and I'll let go, and you will see that the two cords will twist one around the other like this. So as you can see here, the cords have twisted one around the other, creating this pattern in two colors. Now I will remove the clamp, and here I will make a knot. A simple overhand knot. Like this. We have the bracelet like this, and in order to open and to close the bracelet, I will open this end here, and I get this loop. And I will put the bracelet through this loop like this, and this is how I close my bracelet. And to make the end of the bracelet more aesthetic, I'll just cut off the ends of the cord. So this is my twisted bracelet. This is how it closes here, and this is what it looks like.